Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to explain how to use the command ellipse. This is the ellipse command, and as you can see there is like one, two, three choices or different kind of drawing of the ellipse. So let's start with the first one, the center. As you can see in this command bar, they tell you to specify the center of the ellipse. So just pick any point in the workspace, and now they tell you to specify the end point of axis. So the end point, I want it to be like here, or you can type what? You can type the number that you want from the circle, from the center to the end point of axis. So let's, for example, put it 25, enter. And now they tell you to specify the distance to the other axis. So let's put it in the other axis for 10, enter, and there you go. This is the ellipse using the command center. So you go and pick your center, pick the other side, or pick the end point of axis and the other end point of the other axis. Let's go to the other one, the axis end. So when you choose this command, they tell you to specify the axis end point of ellipse. So you go to the end point, then they tell you to specify the other end point of axis. So let's set it for like what was 20 for 40, enter, and now let's set it for what, for like 8, and there you go. So the difference between the first one and the second one, in this one you go specify the center and then this end point and then this point, but in the axis end you go select these end points of the axis and then the other end point. Okay, and that's it for the ellipse command.